it's your girl Cutie with another video today. I'm going to take you on a journey. Well, hold on. I don't start like this. It starts like this. It's Vlogmas Day 12. And today, cuties, I'm going to take you on a journey with me working outside the house other than doing YouTube. I'm going to take you on DoorDash, Walmart grocery order, and Instacart. So I'm going to take you on a journey of this Vlogmas of working outside the household. So I'm going to make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment down below which part of the video you like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when I post a video. And let's get into this video right quick. So what we're doing today, guys?
I'm about to eat some pizza.
Well, guys, today we're doing Walmart cart. Well, Walmart order. I'm not even kidding. A little bit bright. Well, today we're doing Walmart groceries delivery, and right now we're waiting for the groceries to come here. So we're gonna eat a bit. So we're waiting right now. So you guys in a bit when we get the groceries. That's just on the move. Well, guys, right now we're going back to. Or no, we're going to another order we gotta go to. And once we do that, we're going to go back to Walmart. Well, DoorDash is dead right now, but we'll be coming back later on at night to do that. But right now, we're going to go drop off this order, go back to Walmart and get another order, and see if we can also do Instacart at the same time. But for right now, we're not doing the DoorDash. And we'll see you guys in a bit when we drop off this order. Boop. I'm back. Okay, right now, we're walking into Walmart.
Get these.
You got it?
Oh, we got it.
Okay, we're going to Walmart and getting some of that fruit. And while we're doing that, we're going to eat that as a snack since we're becoming vegans now. And now we're going to go in Walmart and get that real quick. So I'll see you guys when we walk in. What do you say?
I said hopefully this tastes good because I don't know.
Me either. Well, it looks like it's good.
I know, right?
And it's new, so I like new things. What did you say this was? What did you say it was? Okay, it's frozen aisle, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, it looks scary.
It's gonna go down.
Yeah. Now we're in Walmart. And now we're going down trying to get to the freezer section. And we're gonna get the popsicles.
Okay. We're close to the aisle. Right now we're walking through
My head
Walmart
looked
because
wonky.
What?
My head looked wonky for a second.
More?
What?
What? Okay, let me just hold the camera because KP forgot a mask. And
No wonder it's looking weird.
yeah, cover your face.
I got it. Well, other people walking here without a mask.
Fair enough, but you're different. No, don't put your hoodie on.
I got my mask.
Okay, well.
Wait, I think it's down the next aisle. Is it frozen snacks?
Hopefully. Okay, gotta be in one of these aisles.
Frozen ice cream.
Oh, what? Okay, now we're in the frozen ice cream aisle, so yeah, as you can see.
Ooh, yummy, delicious.
Oh wait, I gotta look. Okay, we're in the pasta aisle. Now we gotta find this treat.
Right here. I got that.
How the flip do you find that? Wait, let me ask how many she wants.
We got them, guys. I
We
thought
got
real
two
quick.
varieties, yay.
We got strawberry, vanilla, and blueberry, and peach, vanilla, and raspberry.
You want me to just get two?
Did you answer?
I'm asking, no response. One.
Right.
Let's just get two.
There's 6 in the pack.
Yeah, but two different flavors.
There's 2 flavors. You sure?
Yeah.
Ah, look, she says it's out 3.
Oh, wait, 3?
Why is it 3? Do you see them?
Yeah, 3.
Okay, one more peach.
Do you want to hold the camera while I hold the stuff? Because put your hoodie down. Okay, you look like you're still.
Oh, so you're profiling me now.
No, I'm just saying. Usually when people have their hoodies on, but still. And plus we're wearing black hoodies.
But we got name brands on us.
That's so you can't trust people.
I got my mask. It was sitting right next to me.
And Cutie's trying to walk quickly because she forgot her mask. And I got mine with my phone and rhymes.
It's bad enough that there's people here, but I'm breathing wild nuts.
Okay, follow me. We're going number 1 or number 2, number 3. Well, let's just stand for number 1. Yeah, number 1. It'll be quick. Or you want to try 7?
Or 8.
Yeah, let's try 7 or 8.
8.
7?
8.
Nah, 5. 4. Yeah, 4. Staying 4.
Well, look at jeans.
Huh?
I like her jeans. It's like,
They look like just long pants cut at the bottom.
okay, now we're at the checkout. We're about to check out. We're just waiting. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Me too. So we're out of Walmart. We got the stuff. Now, Mommy's right there. So we're walking to the car because we got to order and now we got to go. Rush!
What happened?
We went and found this and then we're like...
Okay, cuties, okay, well now we're going home.
I'll say that would be disgusting if I cut to someone else.
You're back? You back? Okay, y'all guys are back. Okay, kids, I want to say thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below which part of the video you like, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified when I post a video. Glad I took you guys on this journey of me working outside the household, doing Instacart and all that good stuff, earning some extra cash on the side because we need to get this cash. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoy your holidays, your Vlogmas, your DIYs, and all that good stuff. I hope you enjoy your Christmas and Xmas or Hanukkah, whatever you guys celebrate. I hope you enjoy that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you stay tuned because I'll be taking you on another self-care journey. But you guys stay tuned to my YouTube page and my Instagram and my Twitter to know when I'm like do something awesome for next video. But till then, I'll see you guys in the next vid. Bye, cuties. Happy Vlogmas. I also forgot to mention, go follow my sister's TikTok and my TikTok. Hers is Abby_Wolf and mine is KBQ23. And go follow my brother's too, is Sile Wolf. I think it's Sile Wolf. And don't forget to follow my brother's TikTok too, is the Boppy's World. But go follow our TikToks because my sister be posting dance videos, dance choreography, funny jokes, memes, and all that stuff. And go follow mine because I do the same thing. I do comedy skits and all that good stuff. And my brother, he does drawing. So go follow their pages. And I'll leave it down in the description box below. And go check them out because they are awesome. And so am I. And don't forget to go follow my Instagram, which is KBQD23. And don't forget to follow my Twitter, which is KBQD1. And go Instagrams, which is Sile Wolf. And my sister's is at AB_, or it's Abby. It's AB_Wolf, I think. And go check their Instagrams out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Love yous a lot.